Hi friends, welcome to janhavisworld. Today we are going to make a frothy, creamy Dalgona coffee. Just like we have cafe latte in Cafe Coffee Day or in Starbucks or in any other popular fancy coffee chains. So let's make it. The ingredients are 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon coffee powder, 1 tablespoon hot water, and a hand blender to whisk the mixture. Now, in a vessel, add sugar, hot water, and coffee powder. Blend it with the hand blender. If you don't have hand blender, you can use whisker, but it may take some more time. Blend the mixture till the soft peaks form. You can have a scoop of the frothy coffee and add to the milk, but here I am using a piping bag just to make the coffee look better. Now add the frothy coffee to the milk. And sprinkle some coffee powder. Your creamy, frothy Dalgona is ready. Enjoy!